John McCain, the most far-seeing and visionary member of the Republican Party, had this to say about the nuclear crisis in Japan.
Obviously, this was an event that no one has ever really anticipated outside of science fiction movies.
Well, we in the Republican Party vow never to make the same mistake again. From this day forward, we promise America that we will take seriously the threat posed in every science fiction movie. That way, America can have all the benefits of nuclear power while still protecting us from any mutant monsters that it may spawn.
You mean Republicans are going to keep me safe from Godzilla?
Not just Godzilla, my friend, but giant ants, resuscitated dinosaurs, the blob, the fog, the 50-foot-tall woman, they, it, them, she, and that crazy alien that pops out of people's chests.
How about Planet of the Apes? Will you stop monkeys from taking over?
Well, that's very simple. We don't believe in evolution.
Okay, well, what about 2001: A Space Odyssey?
A giant fetus in space? Okay, you got me there.
Here's another. What about the threat from the movie Waterworld?
The threat of a Waterworld 2?
No, the threat of global warming. Same thing with the movie The Day After Tomorrow.
All right, we're going nowhere with this. We're going to have to retool. We need an excuse to stop.
I got it. John McCain is one of the body snatchers.
Genius. Sheer genius. Hey, let's go see Mars Needs Moms.
No.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it.
That's how I feel every time somebody from the GOP speaks. Really, every time they open their mouths, I feel like everyone in this room is just a little dumber for having listened to what you've said, especially John McCain. Here is John McCain from the campaign trail. I just can't resist. This is John McCain on the campaign trail talking about nuclear safety being a priority if we were going to use nuclear power.
You know, the other night in debate with Senator Obama, I said his eloquence is admirable, but pay attention to his words. We talked about offshore drilling, and he said he would, quote, consider offshore drilling. We talked about nuclear power. Well, it has to be safe, environmental, blah, blah, blah. And the fact is,
What's the fact? Shut up. What's the fact?
Yes.
Damn it. What was the fact?